This M3 Competition was already wild from the factory, but this one has been taken to another level. And today I get to find out why everyone loves these so much, why this build is so extreme, and what this setup is actually capable of. Oh my gosh! Welcome to the channel, SANDEEP.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thanks for coming on. This car is beautiful. I'm really excited for this. Let's start off by talking about the color. That's really standing out. And then how is the car spec'd?
All right, so this is individual paint. It's called Ruby Star Neo. Porsche color, I love it. Pink, purple, shades of both. This one also has a Silverstone buckets.
Okay.
Which is my favorite part of the car.
Those look so good.
Yep, and it has the black wheels. I did the black calipers because I didn't want, you know, too many colors.
Yeah, yeah.
And yeah, got the executive package. Comes with the carbon roof and all the other good stuff. Okay. I didn't get the carbon ceramics because I didn't think I needed them.
Yeah.
So BMW does have their own individual colors, but this one is a Porsche color, so it's $4,500. You can tell them, hey, I want this. It takes 2 months extra to paint and, you know, do and adds time, but yeah, they'll do pretty much any color. There's like 200 colors to pick from.
Whoa.
Yep.
So you said it has the executive package?
Yep.
Is that what you said?
Yeah,
so
executive package. Which I think it's like the power, the trunk with the button goes up and down. Couple little things inside. I'm not even quite sure, honestly, but I know it has it.
Okay.
I love the way it looks. I love the way it drives. I love the size of it. It's not too big, not too small.
Yeah.
The only thing I don't like, which I already changed, was the grill that it comes with.
Okay.
I hate the stock kidney grill or whatever. It looks hideous.
Okay.
So I swapped it out for this guy. A lot more open.
Yeah, that looks
sweet. Better, looks meaner.
It looks sweet.
But yeah, that's really the only thing I didn't like.
Yeah, that's aggressive. I didn't realize that wasn't factory because I'm not super familiar with these yet.
Yeah, the factory ones it's like fully covered and has like a bunch of, you know, little slots.
Oh yeah. No, this looks way better.
Yep.
It looks a lot more aggressive. You can see the intakes, intercooler. It looks good. You want to open the door? Show us what's going on there? Of course. And then what do you like about the interior of this car?
I love the seats. I love the color
of
the seats. So for 25, they changed the steering wheel. So it's flat bottom. The screen they changed in 2025 also. Now it's that one long screen. Some people love it, some people hate it. I love it. But yeah, I love the carbon. I did do the carbon interior.
There's so much carbon.
Yeah, there's a lot of carbon.
I see it's got paddle shifters.
Yep.
It's not a manual.
No.
How do you feel about that? What is it like driving this?
It drives really good. So this is not a dual clutch, but it shifts insanely fast. I do have a trans tune on it, but I'm sure that helps.
Okay.
But it shifts quick.
You want to pop the hood?
Of
Show
course.
us what's going on.
Let's go.
Over here, and let's talk about the performance of this thing.
Yes, sir.
So what do we have going on? Because I know I've heard it's a lot faster than stock.
Yep. So stock, obviously it's an inline 6, 3-liter, comes with 523 horsepower.
Okay.
Which they changed from 503, which is still fast.
Yeah.
But obviously it's not enough. You always want more.
Never enough.
It's never enough. So I did front mount intakes, catless downpipe, single mid pipe, which makes it a little deeper.
All right.
And then I did a axle back. So full exhaust all the way back. I have a E85 sensor and it's unlocked and tuned. Intakes and exhaust, downpipe, everything is mad. They make good stuff. I like the color.
Yeah, that's sweet. That looks good with the pink.
Yep. E85 sensor is from MHD. That's what I use for my unlock. You can choose boot mode or MHD. So I did MHD, and now it's way easier to unlock these. You had to send them to Finland up until 6 months ago, and it was thousands of dollars, which I had to do on my last one. On this one, $400, I sent it to Miami. They unlock it, you get it back within 2 days, and you're good to go.
Oh my goodness.
Choose your tuner, choose who you want to go with, and you're good to go.
It's so easy.
So easy. I had it back, I took it out, sent it Monday, I had it back Wednesday, unlocked, ready to go.
Whoa.
Yep.
That is sweet. There are particular companies, is that like a one company in Miami that does it?
Yeah, Femto. Their name is Femto. The same company that used to do it in Finland, but now they opened up a spot here and make it easy for us US guys. We haven't dynoed it, so I have a custom tune from Racebox, company out in Houston, do killer stuff. So it's probably making 720, 730 wheel, and maybe 700 torque. Like I said, we haven't dynoed it. So it is on a E40. Well, it's on a flex tune, but I keep it around E40, E50.
Okay.
That's where it gets that bunch of gains from, I think. So all these same mods on 93 is probably 100 wheel less than on E40.
Holy crap.
Big, so these cars love corn.
Wow.
Yep. I had a G80 before this. I had a Tune
Uh-huh.
OTS map from MHD, E40 map with a downpipe. Same downpipe I have on this Mad Catless. Fat Boy is what they're called.
Okay.
It's a 3.5 inch, but I was running pretty much almost as, not as consistent, but I did hit, you know, like a 9.9 in that before. But it wasn't, I did it once. You know, now I can do it every single time out. Downpipe and email, that's what they say.
No way.
And you're running 9s, so.
That is nuts.
Yep.
So in factory, they're like in the 11s?
Yeah, I think 11 flat is what Car and Driver has it as.
Okay.
So I'll take their word for it. I mean,
Wow.
it's still, like I said, that's plenty quick, but these cars love mods. So I'm 240 wheel more than stock.
Holy crap.
And it drives, you wouldn't know until you got into it.
That's nuts.
Yep. I've raced against some pretty fast cars. The new 911 Turbo S,
Oof.
walked it, dig and roll.
No way.
Yep.
Wow.
It's walked some very fast cars, Huracans, and a lot of them we're gonna keep to ourselves. You know, we don't want too much out there, but
Yeah.
it's walked everything is raced.
That's insane.
Yep.
Everybody says like the 911 Turbo S is just the fastest
That was
out
my
there.
proudest kill.
Holy crap.
For what this is, for the mods I have, really all you need is a downpipe and tune, and you're running those numbers. So
Wow.
5.45 is the best, 60 to 130.
Oh my goodness.
Quarter mile, the best I've done is on the street actually, 9.7 at 143.
Oh my
Yep, and I did not
gosh.
have a good 60 foot. So, I mean, it's definitely got a little more in it at the track. The video we have is a 9.8, I believe, at 140.
As far as cosmetically on the car, what else have you added or what's not factory
So,
on this thing?
like I said, we did do the grill, and with the grill, I did the air ducts, gloss
Okay.
black to match it, and we did do a lip too.
Oh, that looks good.
It's not really any brand, it's kind of just, I just got it off of Google. It makes a huge difference.
Huge
So,
difference. It looks
well,
really good.
Yep, oh, and I do have a lowering, I have AST lowering springs.
Oh, okay, I was gonna ask about the
Yep.
suspension.
It's not adjustable, but I love the springs. It rides still really good. So I lowered it. I don't know the exact drop, but to me, it's a perfect drop. And then I did 15 millimeter spacers up front, 13 in the back. Give it that nice stance.
Gotcha, it does have spacers then.
Yep, it does. So the back is sitting really nice tucked in there. It comes with these 4S tires, which are pretty good. My last one had Pirellis, so it's kind of luck of the draw. When you order these cars, you can either get the Pirellis or Michelins.
Really?
So this time I got, they call it the tire lottery. So I won it this time.
That's funny.
Yep.
Okay. If someone wanted to get into one of these 2026, how much are they looking at?
Base MSRP I think is 80,
Okay.
which is crazy because you can still get one without the buckets, without the paint,
Yeah.
and still run 9s with the same stuff for like
Yeah.
80 some $1,000s, you know?
That's insane.
Insane. So these hold their value really good. I had one before this, 25.
Yeah.
Drove it for a year. It was individual buckets.
Okay.
Sold it for what I got it for, including tax, which is insane.
You owned it for
I
free,
drove it
pretty
for
much.
free. Yep. And,
Wow.
you know, it's spec, you know, it depends on spec, of course. So this one I think stickered around 108 MSRP. So out the door it was right under 120. But like I said, you don't need the, you know, like the paint and the seats alone are 10 grand.
Yeah.
That's a lot of it. Like all my buddies say, pound for pound, dollar for dollar, this is the best car you can get.
Yeah.
New. So
It seems like it. It's
Yep.
wild for that price.
Yep.
You're racing stuff, you're blowing a lot away, you're walking away from so many
and
cars.
people love it. Yep.
As far as the parts you put on it and the tune, how much extra is that to get it to this level of performance?
So if we do count the unlock, the intake, full exhaust, the sensors, and the custom tune, not counting installation, it's probably right under $10,000. It does have a trans tune too, which was I think 800. Like I said, you get one for 80, you put 10 grand into it, or not even. I mean, like I said, you can put 4 into it
Yeah.
and run 9. Probably I'm all in probably 130.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Not
though.
bad at all.
Especially only 10 for parts and
Right.
components and
Yeah,
tune.
I mean the parts itself, you know, the install gets a little cost, like for the grill install,
Yeah.
or for the intake install and the grill, they obviously have to take the bumper off, you know, and then put it back on, realign it, all that. So I think it was very worth it.
Yeah, I would say so.
Yep.
This is sweet. I'm really excited to get to experience this thing.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, I'm pumped. Let's
Yep.
do this. All right, let's see what this can do with revs. Let's see what it sounds like. Ready. Can I just say a prayer real quick?
Oh, of course.
All right. God, thank you for bringing us here today to film this BMW. Please just keep us safe and watch over us, protect us as we go on a drive. In your name, amen.
Amen.
Oh my God! Holy frick!
I really love everything about this car. I sold my last one, regretted it, and got this one within 3 months. I will always keep this, I will add on, but I will never sell it.
Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Holy crap!
Brakes are good.
Oh!
I mean, and stock, I'm pretty sure these are 2.9, 3 second anyways. Like, they're fast cars. Like,
yeah.
But you know, stock, you don't have to worry about traction issues, obviously. This shines after the 60.
Wow.
I know we used to think 0 to 60 was cool. Then we got older, and now it's 60 to 130. That's
60 to 130.
That's what matters. I remember it used to be,
yeah,
you know, 0 to 60, 0 to 60. But a lot of fast cars have similar 0 to 60s. You know, traction limited and all that. It's after that you can really.
It is. Okay, I'll hop out.
I'll do a launch.
And just like drive by.
Yep, I'll do a couple drive-bys, couple launches.
All right, guys, here comes the M3. If you're liking what you're seeing, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Here it comes. I didn't even like care about 60 to 130 or even hear about it until I started my YouTube channel. Started getting in fast cars, and it's like, oh, what's your 60 to 130? Yep, everybody talks about that now.
We'll do a little first gear. It's just ready to go. It just bounces.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What?
Brakes are so good too for not being carbon ceramics. It stops.
Wow.
But yeah, you can tell it's always ready to go.
It is aggressive.
XHP, I have it set to stage 3.
Okay.
So that you can go stage 0, obviously 1, 2, 3. I have it set to 3, which makes a big difference in shift speeds, stuff like that. Like if we go here, we can do a little.
Holy frick! What the?
She got it. It loses a little bit of traction too.
Oh my god!
But it loves to go, and it makes good power everywhere.